Welcome back. I'm Larry. So as I'm shooting this video, we have crossed over the 5,000 subscribers. I started to say 5,000 mile mark. Always got cars on the mind. We crossed over the 5,000 subscriber mark. So that is awesome. I want to tell you how much that means to me. It is crazy, because when I started this channel, I honestly didn't expect it to ever really truly go anywhere. Funny enough, I kind of just started doing it as a hobby and to have something to look back on for projects that I did on my vehicles, and hoping that maybe it would help somebody along the way as well. So the fact that we have 5,000 subscribers, over 5,000 now as I'm shooting this video, and it's real humbling. It's heartwarming. I appreciate it and couldn't do it without y'all. Wouldn't be where we are with the subscribers without y'all. So I appreciate it very much. I said it means a whole lot. And I want to support any members that have joined. I think last time I checked, I have 5 members that I'm shooting this video. So that's awesome. That's amazing. If you want to become a member, it's only $1 a month. The link will be in the description. I always put it in the description of every video. Check that out if you feel free to check that out if you want to. And yeah, I just wanted to come here and really thank each and every one of y'all. It blows my mind that so many people, because that's a big number to me. To me, 5,000 is a big deal. That so many people actually like what I do to my vehicles and what I have to say and what I show, and that I'm able to help people, because I get comments quite often. Not every single day, but quite often. And so the fact that people reach out and tell me that, hey, I was able to help them or whatever, that's amazing. Most of the comments are great. Like 99% of the comments are great. People saying thank you for the video and thanks for the help. It really helped me a lot, and I think that's great. A couple of trolls in there, like always. You got to have them, but love them too, because they still show engagement to the channel and they still help me. So even thanks to the trolls. So it's awesome. But for the ones that are true supporters, y'all are the true ones. Y'all are the ones that really make a difference, and I really appreciate it. So that's all there is for this video. Again, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And I appreciate it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. Like the video if you like it, and yeah, let's keep this momentum train going, and let's keep building this channel and keep on. I want to see where the future. I don't really know what the future holds and where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna keep doing it, and yeah, I appreciate y'all joining me on this journey, and let's keep on trucking. Let's keep on keeping it moving and see what the future holds. So I appreciate it. Thanks to each and every one of y'all. That's all it is for this one. So until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.